Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by securing the village and bell, because raids target villagers and the bell triggers defenders. Once positioned, create a 2-block-wide choke with solid walls and overhead cover to funnel pillagers. This limits their numbers and reduces stray shots. Make sure lighting prevents creepers and zombies from spawning nearby. That keeps the fight focused. Equip a reliable melee weapon, a shield, and at least 2 healing potions, so you can engage and recover quickly while protect. Now you control the engagement by using your shield to block and then counterattack. Timing matters to avoid knockback and multiple hit flurries. Once done, bait groups into the choke so you face 1 or 2 at a time. That prevents being overwhelmed. Make sure to deploy ranged support. Pick off archers with a bow or crossbow, or spawn an iron golem to hold aggro. Transition between ranged and melee smoothly, and check villager safety between waves to prevent panic and losses. Finish by clearing all remaining mobs and looting totems of undying and emeralds, because resources matter for recovery and trading. Once done, restore any damaged villager workstations and hang the bell back up to reset village protection. Repairing defenses prevents immediate re-raids. If things go wrong and you're overwhelmed, don't fight blindly. Retreat to a safe room, heal, then lure raiders back into your prepared arena where choke points and golems fight for you, ensuring a controlled restart of the engagement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.